Ipakita ko sa inyo itong video na to. Itong YouTuber na to ay pumunta sa dito para mag-interview ng mga Greenlandic.
Are you excited to become a United States citizen?
No. Do you know the history of Greenland? Denmark bought it.
Did they buy it or no?
No, they colonized it.
They colonized
Yeah.
it.
You want our country and our raps. What do you want else? You want so much.
I just
You know more about minerals. You know more about money. You don't know shit about us. You Americans, all the journalists come here and get clout and for 100 likes, I'm gonna go to Greenland or something like that.
Hello po mga kabayan. Ngayon pauwi pala ako ng bahay. Bali maglalakad lang ako kasi yung sasakyan namin inayos kasi. So ito yung project namin dito mga kabayan. Ayan. Tapos yung dadaanan natin ito na kalsada. So maglalakad-lakad tayo. Tapos habang tayo naglalakad-lakad mga kabayan, ipakita ko sa inyo itong video na to. Itong YouTuber na to ay pumunta sa dito para mag-interview ng mga Greenlandic about nga doon sa issue na pagbili ng US dito sa Greenland. Yan, tingnan yung video na to.
Come here. This guy's got some cool tattoos on his face. That's the one rapper. This is the rapper of Greenland. Yeah. No way. Yes. We got the rapper of Nuuk. Yeah. All right, how's it going?
Okay, we can do that also.
We can do that also. Are you excited to become a United States citizen?
No. Do you know the history of Greenland?
What is the history of Greenland?
Do you know the history of Greenland?
I know that Denmark.
You know only Denmark?
I only know the part that Denmark bought it.
Bought it?
Or is the...
Bought it? Denmark bought it!
Did they buy it or no?
No, they colonized it.
They colonized
it.
Yeah.
In 1721.
They colonized it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just know that Denmark has
they experimented with children. Yeah, and many different stuff. Yeah. Also the Americans, they left.
barrels.
Yeah, they left barrels in nature all over the place. And the radioactivity, they dropped from the plane. And I don't know, we don't really want to be American or Danish.
Mm-hmm. Would you guys be able to survive economically without a country like Denmark?
If you look at the economical situation in Greenland, you can think about many different stuff. Because if we should look at the most money we get in Greenland, it's from fish. Mm. So we export the fish from Greenland and we give it to Denmark, and then they sell it for 4 times higher price. So if we should talk about economic situation, we can also talk about FN, or how you say it in English, UN. How Denmark gets advantages with paying UN because military bases. Mm. Yeah. Anything else?
Well, what do you... I want to hear a rap.
A rap? Oh, you want our country and our raps. What do you want else? You want so much.
I just want to hear it. You're live right now.
I don't give a fuck.
You can talk to the people.
Hello, people.
They can hear your songs.
Hello. My name is Joseph. I'm a Greenlandic rapper. I'm not gonna rap for you because you're not gonna understand it because you don't give a fuck about Greenland. You only know what's under the ground. You know more about minerals. You know more about money. You don't know shit about us. I asked you, what do you know about me? Can you say one Greenlandic word?
I knew how to say hello. Alu.
Hello.
Alu.
Yeah, so that's it. You don't know our dreams. You don't know what we've been through. It's like you come here and you talk about this and that, but without knowing the history of Greenland. You know, how the Americans treated Greenlandic people. Perry, the polar explorer, Perry, he abducted a whole Greenlandic family and moved them to America. Mm-hmm. And then when Minik, his father, died, his father was in a museum. His skeleton was in a museum. And he thought he was buried. But, you don't give a shit about us. You don't know. Look at Americans, how they treat their own indigenous people. The pipelines, the women who's missing. Look at them, all the children who've been taken away from indigenous people.
We have a lot of people.
Yeah, but you Americans, all the journalists come here and get clout and for 100 likes, I'm gonna go to Greenland or something like that.
We came here to Greenland.
Yeah, how many likes?
It did get 100k likes.
Yeah, so
that's
the thing.
People are interested to see what happens.
Now we have shouted so much about racism. We have spoken so much about what we've been through in the media all over the place about many different stuff. But it doesn't matter. But only when a fucking racist sons says, the Greenlandic people experience racism. Now it's a thing. Now you're interested. How about when many people who lost their kids, many people who've lost their lives, many different stuff. Do you know about that?
I do not.
Yeah. So
So ayan, nandito na tayo sa bahay mga kabayan. Nakapasok na tayo dito. At ito yung labas natin, oh. Napakaganda dahil maaliwalas yung panahon mga kabayan, oh. Ayan, ganda yung itsura ngayon ng city. Hello po mga kabayan, ngayon pabalik na tayo sa trabaho. Maglalakad pa rin tayo. So nakita nyo yung video mga kabayan na yung YouTuber interview niya yung rapper dito sa Greenland. Yung nakita ko yung video, tinanong ko dun sa kasama ko. Kaya dun sinagot ako ng kasama ko. Ito pala yung dahilan mga kabayan kung bakit, di ba yung Greenland nasa 56,000 lang yung population niya, parang hindi sila dumadami. Ang sabi ng kasama ko daw kasi mga kabayan, yung mga nanamahala dito dati, hindi ko din sasabihin kung anong lahi, yung mga kabataan pala dati, di ba sabi nitong rapper na to, yung mga kabataan daw ay ineksperimentuhan. Sabi niya ng kasama ko dito na lokal, bali may nilagay daw sa mga kababaihan dati na mga kabataan kung saan hindi sila manganganak, hindi sila mabubuntis. Yun yung ibig sabihin daw. Pero ako mga kabayan, hindi ko din sasabihin na naniniwala ako sa sinasabi nila. Hindi ko din sasabihin na kung totoo kasi wala din akong alam eh. Basta yun lang yung pagkakaalam ko mga kabayan, no? Kaya yun mga kabayan, medyo nagalit yung rapper na imbis magra-rap na lang siya. Nagalit siya kasi sabi ko ng journalist na kung gusto ba siya, excited na ba siya maging part daw ng Amerika. Tapos ayun nga, nahalungkat yung issue about sa history ng Greenland. Ayun lang din yung pagkakita ko. Siguro maaring totoo mga kabayan, no? Maaring hindi kasi wala naman ako dito dati sa Greenland yung mga panahon na yun na nangyari talaga. At tinanong ko din ito sa kasama ko, talagang nangyari daw yan sa dati daw na panahon na yung mga kabataan dati daw dito ay ineksperimentuhan daw o may nilagay daw sa kanila para hindi daw sila bubuntis kasi ayaw daw na dadami sila dito. Ayaw daw ng mga tagapamahala dito mga kabayan na dadami sila, pero hindi ko alam kung sino ang tinutukoy niya. Kaya ganun na lang yung galit nung rapper na yun. Kasi nga sabi pa nung journalist na ano yung pagkakaalam mo about sa Greenland. Ang sabi niya, yung Greenland daw ay binili ng Denmark. Mas lalong nagalit to yung rapper na hindi naman daw binili ito ng Denmark, kundi nakolonize lang sa mga kabayan, no? Balik control lang sa ng Denmark, pero walang nangyari na pagbili. Kaya sa aking pananaw mga kabayan at pag tanong-tanong ko dito sa mga lokal, ayaw talaga nilang under ulit mga kabayan o masakop ulit ng iba pang bansa. Kahit anong bansa pa daw yan, powerful. Ayaw nila mga kabayan na maging masakop pa sila, nasasakupin pa sila. Ang gusto lang nila ngayon ay ang kalayaan. Maibigay ng Denmark sa kanila yung kalayaan na maging independent. Gusto nila yung Amerika mga kabayan maging daan lang para maibigay sa kanila yung kalayaan, hindi maging under na naman daw ng isang country. So yun lang mga kabayan, no? Linawin ko lang, ang gusto lang ipahiwatig nung Greenlandic na yun, yung rapper, na yung mga panahon daw na 1970s, yung mga kababaihan daw, mga kabataan ay hindi daw nabuntis, kaya maliit yung population nila dahil mayroon daw nilagay sa mga kababaihan nila para hindi dadami yung kanilang population. Kaya doon siya nagalit dahil sinabi din itong journalist na binili daw ng Denmark itong Greenland, na hindi naman ito binili kundi na-colonize lang. Sa aking pananaw ng mga kabayan, hindi talaga dito gusto ng mga tao na lokal dito na maging under na naman ng ibang country. Ang hinihintay lang nila yung maibigay sila sa kanila yung kalayaan. So yun lang mga kabayan, hanggang dito na lang yung aking video. Sana yung video ko ay nakapagbigay ng informasyon sa inyo at balik trabaho na naman tayo. Nandito na ako sa site. And God bless you all po.